Introduction. CSS Drop Shadow is a tool that provides a 3D appearance to web elements. This is achieved by creating an illusion of a light source projecting a shadow. This guide will demonstrate how to create drop shadows and highlight common errors to avoid. Creating a drop shadow with CSS. The box shadow property is used to create a drop shadow. This property requires 4 values: horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur radius, spread radius, and color. Example, box shadow 10 px, black. The first value is the horizontal offset, the second value is the vertical offset, the third value is the blur radius, and the last value is the color. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. A common mistake is forgetting to specify the color of the shadow. Negative values are not valid for the blur radius. To cast the shadow equally on all sides of the element, set the horizontal and vertical offsets to 0. Tips and tricks. Use the inset keyword in your box shadow property to create a shadow inside an element. Example, button, box shadow inset 0, 10px black. Multiple shadows on the same element can be created by separating the values with commas. Example, box shacks 3 px 5 px, blend 9 3 px 5 px white. Conclusion, using the box shadow property effectively can enhance the look and feel of web designs. It adds depth and complexity, creating a 3D effect. Being aware of common pitfalls can ensure your drop shadows improve your designs.